Handy Hudsonite here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your Apple AirTag. It's very simple. When your AirTag gets low on battery, you'll get a notification in your Find My app. I got that just in the last couple of days. The reason why it's not showing it now is because I did take my battery out of my AirTag just to test to see how easy it would be to replace, and it must have reset, and it'll probably go back to a low battery status here in the next day or two. I'm not sure how long it'll take for it to go back, but I'm going to show you how to replace this. I need to replace the battery anyway. One thing with the AirTag batteries is you want to make sure that you get a battery that doesn't have a child protective bitter coating. I bought these Energizer batteries off of Amazon. I'll have the link in the description below so that you can check these out. They claim that these do not have that coating on them. If they do have the coating, or if you've purchased another battery with that bitter coating, it's easy to take off. Just use nail polish remover and make sure to also get it off of the edges, as that's where the contact points are with your AirTag. So let's get into how to replace the battery here in my AirTag. The procedure for taking out the battery for the AirTag is simple. All you do is hold the AirTag like I am here, and with your two thumbs, you can press down on the top and just rotate counterclockwise, and the top should come off. So just set that aside. You'll see the battery here, and it is a CR2032. The original one in my AirTag is a Panasonic CR2032 3-volt. Make sure you remember the orientation, as the positive side of the battery is facing up. So it should just come right out. It's just sitting in there. Let's set that aside and get one of our new batteries. Here's the new replacement battery. So let's put this in and see if this is going to work. And we'll just set it in there, positive side up. Let's put the lid on. And you hear that chirp, that means that it works. So indeed, these batteries are the correct ones for the AirTags. Again, in the description below, you can purchase them on Amazon. You get 4 of them, really inexpensive. And if you don't hear that chime sound, it's because of the bitter coating that needs to be taken off with the nail polish remover. So let's just do a little test here. It says it's with me now. Let's do a find and see if we can pick up the signal. And there indeed we have the signal for my AirTag. That indeed is how you replace the battery in the AirTag. You like that? My Handy Hudsonite abbreviation there. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about replacing your battery in your AirTag, or anything else related to AirTags, iPhones, AirPods. Consider giving me a super thanks donation to help my channel grow. Also, give this video a like and subscribe so that others can find out about how to replace their AirTag batteries, and I'll see you in the next video.